YouTube, it's Sarah. I just got a new car and I came from a van and went into an ACURA. Well, in my van, they had a vacuum and I loved it for picking up all the kids' mess. Well, my ACURA didn't have one. So I looked online and found this Bissell Aeroslim hand vacuum. It says it's small enough it can fit inside your car. So you can just reach and grab it for when kids spill mess or Cheerios or dirt or whatever else. So I am going to show you what it's like. I'm just getting it. It just came in this small little box on Amazon today. Looks like it's got a filter, an extra filter. Okay, so here's the vacuum. So it's just a little guy. Should fit in the cup holder on the side of the car is my hope. You either get that, you get the pull like this, or you can lift it up and be able to get into the details with the brush. And it has a USB charger, so you can just charge it in your car, so you don't have to worry about bringing it in ever. You can just have it charging. So I'm going to charge it up and we will see how it works. Okay, we're back. So I got it fully charged. It took about 3.5 hours to fully charge it. I brought out my little USB cord, so I can just leave it plugged in here after I use it to charge. You can also put it probably in any cup holder. Fits in mine all right. Or put it inside a glove box, and that way you've got it all the time. It fits right there. And then whenever the kids make a mess, the whole idea why I got it, take it out of the base, leave that wherever. Got the little power button. Got pretty good suction. Taking up the mess. Okay, so I'm going to add this tool in and try to get down in the cup holders and off to the side over here. This little tool has the brush. You push the button and it slides down to where you've got the little angled part. You just shove it in here. Little crevices. Go up here in the cup holder. Now I've got my car cleaned out. Looks like it's real easy to empty. You just turn it, it snaps open. And then on the inside, you've got the filter. It says you can actually take the filter and go wash it out. If it does get super dirty, you can wash it out. Remember, we got that extra one. You take this and go clean it out. But otherwise, you just dump it out, put your filter back in, set that in there, snap it back in, and you're ready to go for the next time. I'm excited to try it, clean up all my kids' mess.